Oh, just in time. I finished my mac and cheese.
It was kind of the devs to do that for you.
To finish my mac and cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What the fuck's this generator, dude? Hey, Steve.
Guess Steve's gonna die.
Probably.
Agent, I hate to tell you this. Killer's behind you.
The killer knows
What if
nothing.
they were, though?
Yeah, if there's a ghost face. I wouldn't be surprised. I hate those moments where you don't know if it's a stealth killer. What's
Ooh.
that?
Alright, so 2 totems are down.
Oh, that's
Oh my god. Maybe he was behind you. Get the gen done.
Okay, is he gonna come back and kick it?
Don't know.
Maybe
Oh,
my pebble,
you're
right?
getting chased here. Okay.
I'm under a pallet.
Dang it, I just left there. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to come back.
Excuse me.
No, sir! Come back. Do it.
Step through that window. Wait, he's coming, he's coming! Marlon, I didn't have enough time, girl.
Tried.
Oh no, I just meant like you couldn't have made it. Why did you hurt yourself?
Oh, I thought you know, when you want to take a hit.
Where is
Hi,
he?
sir.
You love me.
Is he chasing me?
Yeah. Oh,
Marlon,
yeah.
Or Agent, come on. You don't have to heal me. I can jump into a locker.
Come on, buddy.
Get this gen done right behind you.
Behind me?
Where are you going?
Is it like on the other side of the
Get
track or
fucked,
something?
It was
Oh,
when you were facing me on the hook. It was behind you. When I say behind you.
Woo! Alright. We're fine.
I don't know. These are both kind of close to the gen I already finished.
Oh, you tried. You tried, Steve. I'll respect you for that.
Saw something moving and I thought it was the killer, but it was just the shadow of the lantern.
Oh, hi.
Hey, I hope the wraith isn't coming.
Who knows?
Run.
That would be a yes. Sir.
Whoa, what is your ping, sir? Oh my god.
That was pretty bad.
Marlon, I'm up here on the dock if you want heals.
Alright, I'm on my way. Make sure he's not chasing me.
Everybody, she's on her way.
Away. Please see faces to see.
What? Excuse me? Wait, what's this perk I have on that? I ran
Hi.
past it and... Oh my god, does quick and quiet, like... Hold
What?
on.
It might.
So I have a perk that if I'm running past a locker, it opens the locker and makes a notification, but I don't actually go in. But for some
Yeah.
reason, I actually went in.
Oh.
So what's happening?
You didn't push the spacebar?
I did. I just don't know why it actually brought me in there. Maybe it has a weird synergy with quick and quiet or something.
That, my friends, is what we may call a broken perk.
Is he near you? Oh,
I'm heading towards Agent-ish.
I'm also heading towards Agent.
I don't know where the wraith is.
Okay. Oh. Alright, go ahead and get her. Oh.
Oh.
Maybe he didn't see you.
Steve is running in a circle. Oh, Steve's coming towards me as well.
We're in danger. I want points, Steve.
So Steve just looks down like it. You will regret this, Jane.
Mm-hmm.
Get fucked, buddy boy.
I need to take off my totem perks. I feel like I don't find totems often enough.
Weird. It worked that. It actually worked that time.
Huh. Agent, is he on you, by the way?
No.
Okay.
I'm heading towards Pip.
Oh, I see.
Just needed to throw that pebble. Oh,
He's
never
here!
mind.
He was
That's
hiding.
awkward.
Is he camping?
He might be. Oh, Steve's here.
I don't know if Steve has borrowed time, so.
He is literally just camping you, Pip.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, but it's okay. I have borrowed time.
Oh my god.
Do you have inner strength on?
I do, but I don't have a totem to do.
In that case, let me heal you somewhere.
It's like impossible to find totems on this map.
Oh, he only wants you, Pip.
What did I do to you, sir?
I'm trying. Oh no, Pip. I'm sorry, I tried to come take a hit.
Don't take hits. I'm not gonna struggle.
Oh, you're not wiggling? Okay.
No. Even if you had taken a hit, it wouldn't have done it in time.
Pip knows that was bullshit.
I'm just annoyed that he camped me and then tunneled me.
Yeah.
Seriously?
No, it was bullshit.
Idiot.
Yeah, you tell him. Steve and I are working on the other gen.
Well, his name's Christian, too. Well, very Christ-like of him.
Damn. You tell him.
Ooh. He has your
Ooh.
number,
Whose number?
agents.
Damn.
I don't want to use the shack palette. Oh, but there's no other palettes, huh?
It's just the shack, baby. We're almost done with this gen.
Oh.
Going to try and find a totem so I can heal myself since the Steve isn't going to.
Smooth.
I see. I may be in danger.
Oh, girl.
Oh!
I'm sorry.
Be free, agent. Be free. Live on in my name.
Shit. Shit.
Oh my God, Steve just straight up left.
Yes, you said you-
It's the door by the boat. Just leave.
by
Big
the
boat.
big boat.
Sorry. Where the last gen was. Yeah, that direction. Just keep going. Sorry, the big shacky thingy. I guess it's not technically a boat. It's like a two-story
I
building.
really hope that pebble worked, dude. Oh,
No, it didn't.
I'm gonna have to spin him. Oh, never mind. I don't know what that noise was, y'all.